सावधान सिद्ध ब्रह्मनाथ। शांति शांति शांति।
Hello students, good morning. Welcome back to my class. Okay, in last class I have discussed some accounting equation problems. Okay, so let's do some more transaction. Okay, before starting transaction, let's revision of what is accounting equation, what is the concept behind accounting equation. Okay, so what is accounting equation? Accounting equation means what? The sum of total assets is equal to sum of capital and liability. Then what is the concept? I had already told that. Okay, so let's start some problems. Okay, first transaction is start business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Second, purchase goods for rupees 40,000. Interest received rupees 2,000 and accrued interest rupees 1,000. Interest rupees 1,000. Next transaction, salary of the month rupees 2,000 has not been paid. Okay, so next transaction, goods sold on cash rupees 10,000 and on credit rupees 30,000. Of goods cost prices is rupees 35,000. Okay. Next transaction, bad debts rupees 2,000, comma bad debts recovered rupees 500. Okay, these are the transactions. Okay, what is the first transaction? That started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Okay, so as usual, business will start with rupees what? 1 lakh. So cash is coming to the business and कैपिटल इज इंक्रीज, सो यहाँ पे एसेट्स इंक्रीज होगा एंड कैपिटल इज ऑल्सो इंक्रीज. नेक्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन, परचेज गुड्स फॉर ₹40,000. क्या? द बिजनेस हैज परचेज गुड्स फॉर ₹40,000 फॉर कैश. The next transaction is what? Interest received ₹2,000 and accrued interest ₹1,000. Okay. So then what is the meaning of accrued interest? Means what? Accrued interest means earned but not received. Interest on but not received. क्या है? The business interest earn किया है but अभी तक receive नहीं किया है. Okay. So this is an assets because anything to be received is an assets or anything to be paid is an liability. Okay. So accrued interest is an assets to the business. Next transaction, sold goods on cash ₹10,000 and on credit ₹30,000. 20 कर लेते हैं. Goods sold on cash ₹10,000 and on credit ₹20,000. Okay, of whose cost price is ₹35,000. 20, 30, 35. Okay. Next, bad debts ₹2,000 and bad debts recover ₹5,000. Okay, so bad debts ₹2,000 and bad debts recover ₹500. So what is the meaning of bad debts? है कि नहीं? तो bad debt का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Simple insolvent of a debtor. Insolvent of a debtor. The business has sold goods on credit to the customer. Okay. So one of his customer. His means what? Business. One of his customer, for example, that Shyam. Okay. Shyam has to pay ₹2,000 to the business, but he is not capable to pay ₹2,000 or he is not able to pay ₹2,000 to the business. And this case, this is known as bad debts. Bad means खराब है, debt means loan. ठीक है. So ये bad debt business के लिए क्या है? Loss है. So ये bad debt को हम क्या करेंगे? Debtor से less करेंगे and as usual it is a loss, then it will be deducted from capital. Okay, do you understand what is bad debt? Bad debt means what? Insolvent of a debtor. Means the debtor cannot be paid the amount or the debtor is unable to pay the amount or to pay the due. Okay, so bad debt is a loss to the business and this loss is deducted from debtor and deducted from capital. Then next what? Bad debts recovered. Okay, ₹500 means what? Bad debt पहले हुआ था, अब वो recover हुआ. That is bad debt recover ₹500. And this recover is an income to the business. क्योंकि bad debt हो गया था, but anyhow it was received. Okay, so bad debt recovered means क्या हुआ? That bad debt business को हुआ था, but अभी वो receive हुआ. So ये bad debt recovery is an income to the business and this income is added to the capital and bad debt recovery means cash is received by the business, so added to the cash. So let's start the transactions. one transaction. Started business with cash rupees 1 lakh. Okay, cash is coming to the business. Cash rupees 1 lakh. Then capital rupees 1 lakh. There is no liability. Total 1 lakh. Capital 1 lakh. And there is no liability. Accounting equation comes that assets is equal to capital plus liability. Assets is equal to owner's equity plus liability. So next transaction number 2. Okay, purchase goods for cash rupees 40,000. Okay, the business has purchased goods. Okay, the business has purchased goods for cash rupees what? 40,000. Okay, so this 40,000 will be deducted from cash. 1 lakh minus 40,000 is 60,000. Then stock, an asset is increased, that is your stock, rupees 40,000. Okay, 1 lakh. Capital as usual. हो गया आपका अकाउंटिंग इक्वेशन और एसेट्स इज इक्वल टू ओनर्स इक्विटी प्लस लायबिलिटी. नेक्स्ट ट्रांजैक्शन interest received rupees 2,000 and accrued interest rupees 1,000. Okay, there are two transactions. You should recommend interest received. Interest received means what? Cash is received. है कि नहीं? Interest received का मीनिंग क्या होता है? Cash is received. Okay? Cash कितना है यहाँ पे? 60,000. So interest received means cash received that. And this 2,000 is added to cash. तो हो गया आपका 62,000. Okay, stock right as usual 40,000. Okay, so then accrued interest, मैंने आपको बोला that accrued interest is an asset and another asset has been increased or another account is increased or created, that is accrued interest. क्योंकि ये हमारा एसेट है. accrued interest means what? The business has earned but not yet received. Okay, to be received means what? This is an asset. हो गया. Then and interest is an income. इंटरेस्ट हमारा क्या है? इनकम है. आप रिसीव करो या फिर ना करो. ठीक है. सो टोटल इनकम हमारा कितना है? 2,000 प्लस 1,000, दैट इज योर 3,000. ओके, सो द इनकम इज इंक्रीज द कैपिटल. Capital and interest. Total interest कितना है? 2,000 plus 1,000, that is 3,000. Total कितना हुआ? 1,03,000. Then यहाँ पे हो गया आपका टोटल 1,03,000. Accounting equation comes that assets is equal to owner's equity plus liability. Okay, so next transaction, that is transaction number 4. Salary of the month rupees 2,000 has not been paid. Salary of the month rupees 2,000 has not been paid. Okay, एक मंथ का क्या है? सैलरी बिजनेस ने पे नहीं किया है. ओके, सो दिस इज व्हाट एन लायबिलिटी and this was termed as outstanding salary. Outstanding salary or outstanding liability means what? That salary is an our expenses and thus that expenses has not been paid. Okay, so and this termed as outstanding as salary or outstanding liability. Okay. Transaction number 4, outstanding. So outstanding means one एक liability has been created. मैं पहले यहाँ पे लिख देती हूँ that outstanding salary. Okay, outstanding salary rupees 2000. Okay, यहाँ पे कैपिटल कितना है 1,03,000 और सॉरी that is your owner security 1,03,000. Okay, so salary is an expenses. Okay, that expenses has been paid, it is an expenses, or the expenses has not been paid is also an expenses. Okay, so यहाँ पे and the expenses will decrease the what? Capital. Or okay, always the expenses will decrease the capital. Less salary total 2000 और outstanding salary 2000 कितना आया 1,01,000 और यहाँ पे outstanding liability के हुआ that is 2000. Write down the assets as usual because this transaction is not affected to the assets. तो कैश कितना है 62,000. Then the amount of stock rupees 40,000. Then accrued interest $1,000. Okay, 1,03,000. Okay. Accounting equation comes that assets, total assets what? 1,03,000. The amount of total assets is 1,03,000. Amount of owner security is 1,01,000. The amount of liability is rupees 2,000. आगे आपका accounting equation assets is equal to owner security plus liability. Okay, what is the next transaction? That is transaction number 5. Okay, so what is the transaction? Goods sold on cash rupees 10,000 and on credit rupees 20,000, of whose cost price is rupees 30,000. Okay, the business had sold goods on cash what amount? 10,000 amount, on credit 20,000. And the cost price is what? 35,000. Okay. So cash. कितना है cash? The amount of cash is 62,000. 62,000 plus 10,000. That is 72,000 cash. This is cash sales. Okay. So cash has been increased. On credit means what? Debtor created. Debtor what? 20,000. Next, यहाँ पे okay stock. What is the about stock? The stock has been decreased by cost price. What is the cost price? 35,000. Stock कितना है? The amount of stock in the business is 40,000, and from this 40,000, cost price has been decreased, that is 35,000. So the balance amount of stock is 5,000. Because the amount of stock is in the business is what? 40,000. Cost price is 35,000. 40,000 minus 35,000 is what? 5,000. Okay. Then as usual write accrued interest. An asset is there. 1,000. हो गया आपका? Okay. See, goods sold on cash, and this is 10,000 is added to cash, and on credit 20,000 debtor has been created, 20,000. Then stock, the cost price has been deducted from stock. The amount of stock was in the business is 40,000, and 35,000 has been deducted. The balance amount of stock is what? 5,000. Then an accrued interest as usual. Okay. So capital कितना है total? 1,01,000. Okay. So what is the profit or loss related to the transaction? That 10,000 plus 1,000, 30,000. 30,000 is the selling price. Okay. 35,000 is the cost price. Okay. Selling price is rupees 30,000 and cost price is rupees 35,000. The business has been incurred a loss. Loss of rupees what? 5,000. And the loss will be deducted from what? Capital. Loss on sale of goods. Because cost price is more than the selling price. That is 5,000. Okay. So what are the totals? Then write the liability as usual. Outstanding salary. Okay. यहाँ पे आ गया आपका 96,000. यहाँ पे 98,000. Okay. The total amount of assets is 98,000. Then the owner's equity is 96,000. Liability is rupees 2,000. So accounting equation comes that assets is equal to owner's equity plus liability. हो गया आपका accounting equation. Assets is equal to owner's equity plus liability. Okay. So what is the next transaction? Bad debts rupees 2,000 and bad debts recover rupees 5,000. Bad debt means what? The insolvent of a debtor. One of the debtor has not been able to pay the amount, that is known as bad debts. Okay. There is no effect in cash, so write down the cash as usual. Cash. What is the amount of cash? 72,000. Then next is debtor. What is the amount of debtor? 20,000. And this bad debt amount has been deducted from debtor. 2,000 means 20,000 minus 2,000, 18,000. Stock right as usual, 5,000. Accrued interest, 1,000. Okay. Bad बैड डेट्स रिकवर भी हुआ है ना, यहाँ पे बैड डेट्स रिकवर भी है ₹500. बैड डेट्स रिकवर मीन्स व्हाट, कैश इज रिसीव्ड. सो यहाँ पे कैश कितना होगा 72,500 है कि नहीं. 72,000 कैश है, बैलेंस सॉरी कैश कितना है बिजनेस में 72,000. बैड डेट्स रिकवर मीन्स व्हाट, पहले बैड डेट्स हो गया था, अब वो रिसीव हुआ मीन्स व्हाट, कैश रिसीव. तो कैश इज कमिंग टू द बिजनेस एंड दिस 500 इज एडेड टू कैश. सो यहाँ पे हो गया आपका 72,500. ओके, सो व्हाट इज द टोटल अमाउंट ऑफ कैपिटल 96,000. Okay, so bad debt is a loss to the business. Bad debt recovery is an income to the business. ठीक है. So loss is decrease the capital, income is increase the capital. And what bad debts recover. $96,500. Okay, then less bad debts. That is what 2,000. $94,500. Outstanding salary as usual 2,000. Outstanding सैलरी यहाँ पे टोटल कितना हुआ 5, 8 + 2 10 + 5 15 6 9 96,500. ओके, okay, so bad debts ₹2,000 and this amount is deducted from what, debtors. Then bad debt recover ₹500 is added to cash and added to capital. Okay, so bad debt is a loss and this loss is decreased to capital and bad debt recovery is an income is added to capital. Bad debt is a loss but bad debt recovery is an income. Okay, so total 96,500, 94,500 and liability is ₹2,000. So owner assets is equal to owner's equity plus liability. So accounting equation comes that assets is equal to owner's equity and liability. Okay, do you get that what is bad debts recover and what is outstanding salary or outstanding expenses. यहाँ पे हमारा accrued interest, what is the meaning of accrued interest. Okay, here is the transactions. Okay, this is all about today's class. Thank you.